Here is our list of the top 5 best gaming desks you can get right now. The Thermaltake ToughDesk 500L RGB Battlestation is a premium L-shaped gaming desk designed for gamers and professionals. It features an electric height-adjustable design powered by 3 motors, allowing smooth transitions from 70 cm to 110 cm. A smart panel with a 6-button controller and digital display enables easy adjustments and stores up to 4 height presets. The main desk includes a full-surface RGB mousepad with 16.8 million color options and dynamic effects, customizable via iTake software with support for TT-RGB Plus and Razer Chroma. Built with a steel frame and thick MDF surface, it supports up to 150 kilograms. Additional highlights include anti-collision safety sensors, cable management, and ample space for large setups. The Eureka Aero Pro is a high-end ergonomic setup designed for gamers seeking comfort, functionality, and organization. It features a spacious 72-inch wing-shaped surface, dual-motor height adjustment, and smart anti-collision sensors for safety. The desk includes modular shelves with customizable RGB lighting, a height-adjustable and tilting keyboard tray, and a full-surface mouse pad for added comfort. Built with a strong steel frame and carbon fiber textured surface, it supports up to 220 pounds. Additional features like cable management and device slots enhance its utility, making it an ideal choice for immersive, organized, and comfortable gaming environments. The Flexispot Comhar electric standing desk is a stylish ergonomic workstation, ideal for gamers seeking comfort, functionality, and organization. It features electric height adjustment from 28 to 47 inches, with 4 programmable presets for convenience. The desk includes built-in USB ports for easy device charging, a discrete pull-out drawer for storage, and safety features like a child lock and anti-collision technology. Its durable steel frame supports up to 110 pounds, and quick assembly adds user-friendliness. Available in various finishes, it blends with any decor and is recognized for its excellent balance of design and performance. The Arozzi Arena is a spacious ergonomic workstation designed for immersive gaming and multitasking. Measuring 63 inches wide by 32 inches deep, it supports up to 3 monitors. Its curved front enhances comfort, while the full-surface water-resistant machine-washable mouse pad ensures smooth mouse tracking. Cable management is streamlined with 3 desktop cutouts leading to a mesh tray underneath. The desk features a solid MDF surface and sturdy height-adjustable steel legs with balance adjustment knobs for stability. Easy to assemble and built for durability, the Arena desk is ideal for gamers seeking performance, comfort, and clean organization. The Cooler Master GD160 is a spacious and durable workstation tailored for gamers and multitaskers. With dimensions of 63 by 29 inches, it accommodates multi-monitor setups and accessories comfortably. Its full-surface water-resistant mouse pad offers a seamless, easy-to-clean surface for gaming precision. The desk features a sturdy steel frame with a load capacity of 220 pounds and 3 manual height adjustment levels to support ergonomic comfort. A rear steel cable management tray helps keep cables organized and clutter-free. Designed for stability, easy assembly, and long-term use, the Cooler Master GD160 balances functionality, durability, and sleek aesthetics.